This question has come from a calculator paper. It's 2 marks, 1 mark each. So have a quick read, pause, have a go, and press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so this question is asking us to find the reciprocal of 0.8. Now, I'm just going to take you back to something that you already know. When we are dividing fractions, we use keep, change, flip. So if we had 2/3, we'd flip it and it would equal 3/2. That is a reciprocal. We don't use the language, we use flip. But when you flip a fraction, you are actually writing the reciprocal. So what do we do if we've got a whole number? Let's say we've got 4. We can't flip it because it doesn't look like a fraction. But to turn it into a fraction, all we have to do is put it over 1. So you put it over 1 and you flip it. You've done the reciprocal. So you can think of the reciprocal as over 1. So we're going to take our 0.8, put it over 1. Now you have a calculator. So you put it in your calculator and your calculator is going to sort all that out for you. So it equals 4/5. Now flip it and you've got the reciprocal. 5/4. And you could write that as a decimal if you wanted to, as long as you've got the right value. Now, the next part is an error interval. It's to 2 significant figures. We need to put that on a number line. Now, because it is 2 significant figures, we've got 2 zeros. So our number line will have 2 zeros. We're going to grow up that number line, and then we're going to find the midpoint. And it is the midpoint that is the values we want to put on the answer line. So I hope I've made that fairly clear. It didn't feel like it as I was saying it. The number line that you draw always fits with the number that you've been given, okay? Right, I hope that was helpful. These are coming out all the time. Please use them. They are a great, great way to prepare for your GCSEs and start early. Seriously, it makes a big difference.